song is called Come Thou Fount of Every Blessing. You will know this song. They will know this song. Each time I do a festival, I try to pick a piece that's a challenge piece for the group. That's to stretch their ability. All right? This is it. So we're going to do our very best. It is a stretch piece for them. It's taking their ability, which is probably right here, and make it a little bit higher. Would you say that? Yes. All right, so here we go. Okay, you know what? Our first song was fabulous. I was considering how much of a stretch the second song was. I was very pleased that we did not fall apart. All right? Because in many rehearsals during the course of the day, we actually just had to stop. All right? The thing that this is one of the songs that actually has 16 notes in it, and the other thing that it has a lot of retards where they actually have to get your eyes out of the music and look, because if I'm going to keep everyone together, they all have to slow down and speed up together. All right, and I thought we did great. Didn't we? All right, well, you be thinking if you have any questions, because I'll be happy to yes?
The bell ringers standing over there, the gentleman on the end, they're playing linear, long something, I don't know.
Oh, yes, those are called hand chimes, right? And they're actually made out of the same substance as your lawn chairs are made out of. You might laugh about it, but that's true. It's basically the same material. And it's like a tuning fork, right? And it's pitched, and it gives it a different sound, right? Now, there are a couple things we can do with bells that we can't do with these. We can't hit them into the table or anything. They're really made for legato sounds. Okay, we can do. All right, so you'll hear that again in a couple of the other songs. Okay, good question, thank you. All right, for right now.